UHealth, where patients come first. The best doctors, the newest technology, the most caring staff, and research that is changing people's lives. We are UHealth, the University of Miami Health System. UHealth presents Medical Advancements at the U.
For those who have survived a heart attack or other cardiovascular event, physical and psychological burdens can be overwhelming. The Cardiac Rehabilitation Program at the University of Miami Hospital addresses them all.
It is a comprehensive program which looks at the patient as a whole, and we modify their lifestyle, we modify their medications, and we get them feeling much better.
Broken into phases, the cardiac rehab program begins with a patient assessment and a complete recovery discussion.
We formulate an individual prescription for the patient based on what did the patient have done, based on the patient's age, their past medical history, their cardiovascular risk factors, and if they've exercised at all.
The second phase is where patients work hard, receiving all the necessary tools to prevent future events and foster healthy habits.
Typically 36 sessions of an hour to an hour and a half where the patient comes to the center and exercises, yet incorporated that is an educational component on many different facets of cardiac risk factors, psychiatric issues, dietary issues, smoking cessation.
From consultations with a psychiatrist to endurance training, cardiac rehabilitation is a complete mind and body experience. It's a program that's tried and true.
There are several meta-analyses demonstrating how safe cardiac rehab is. There's multiple papers and data out which has been published demonstrating its efficacy on quality of life, its efficacy on patients' endurance, and efficacy on patients' mortality.
And deeply appreciated by patients.
They're wonderful. From the surgery, the doctors, the nurses, to here. The team itself, from one step to the other, has brought me, great insight. It's helped me a lot.
The University of Miami Hospital puts help right at your fingertips.
You want to make it convenient for the patient. So if a patient needs to come to cardiac rehabilitation and they live within the perimeter of UHealth, this offers an immense opportunity for them.
Their comprehensive cardiac rehab program gets to the heart of the matter, improving your quality of life.
We actually are able to give them a rehabilitative service, a therapy, which doesn't hurt and only brings positive impact to their life.
This is what this program to me means. You're gonna live. I'm gonna show you how to live.
If you or someone you know might be a candidate for cardiac rehabilitation, please call 305-585-6990 or log on to umiamihospital.com.